Yeah, it's that late nights, early mornings type shit, you know? Just gotta get some shit off my chest. Let's go. Bounce, bounce, bounce with me now. Bounce, bounce, bounce with me now. Just vibe out with me one time. Where all my smokers at? Light one up and take a hit. Inhale the smoke and before you blow it out, just know that you the shit. Just know you got yourself back up each time you fail, every time you slip. Cause all I know is this, the only way you fail is if you quit. So fuck your fancy cars, cause dog, we dying out here. We just sheep in a pack of fucking wolves and lions out here. The system got us fucked and the media still lying out here. It's like we was born without a chance, but we still trying out here.
It's still on. It's on just like it was on when you was young. And you wanna say fuck that just like you said fuck that back then. So how come now that I'm 20 years old ready to start some shit up, everybody's telling me to calm down? You know, don't curse, go to school, go to college. Well, fuck that.
I'm back home again, back up in my zone again. This music's all I got, these feelings inside, I just can't hold them in. So I'm back in the motherfucking lab with a pen and a pad, and my niggas, they feeling it. All my niggas is smokers, dog, I'm just high cause the room is filled with it. I'm feeling it, up on cloud 9 like I'm too real to quit. Mama raised a fucking man, so all this pain, nigga, I'm built for this. Yours truly taking over, you don't like it, you gon' deal with it. Anthro Beats is killing it, it's Scoop A Man, he's killing it. This industry's filled with pricks that tell kids to go pop pills, and it's so hard to not show anger when your entire heart's been filled with it. No mercy for the ones that called our sons niggas and children spics. Fuck your code of silence, cause for way too long I sealed my lips. I kill for you, kill for moms, I kill for the crew, I kill for this. Don't make me catch a body I ain't devour. I will fill a clip and pull the trigger so motherfucking quick that you won't hear the click. And take your team out one by one till no one knows you still exist. Tell these haters I said fuck them, tell Fox News I said fuck them. My whole fucking city got my back, ain't backing down for nothing, bitch, I'm coming. Yeah, bitch, I'm coming.